Hi everyone, welcome to this Data Analyst interview series where we break down real SQL interview questions with both theory and practical examples. In today's video, we are solving a very important and commonly asked question, one that shows up again and again in top company interviews like American Express, Amazon, Flipkart, AON, and Deutsche Bank. And the question is like write a query to find employees earning more than their managers. You can see we will be doing the fifth question here. And trust me, if you are preparing for data analyst or SQL roles, you can't afford to miss this question. It checks your understanding of self join and filtering using comparison, that too in one table, and all in one simple yet powerful query that we will be learning today. We will create a sample employee table, walk through the logic, and write the full SQL query step by step. So, if you are serious about interview and don't want to miss out with this high impact question, stay with me and let's dive in. Before you jump in into the code, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notification, because every day I am bringing you the exact interview questions hiring manager love to ask. Drop a comment below with your toughest SQL challenge and I will tackle it in next video, and also your doubts. My mail ID will also be present in my description box. You can mail me directly. No need to worry about, my team will take care of it, or I personally take care of it. Also, I will be sharing a full create table and insert into script into the comment section or maybe in video description, so you can copy paste and practice this query in your own SQL editor like PG admin or MySQL workbench. So let's get started. And this is the interview questions we will be taking care of, and we have made video till question number 4. So this is like question number 5 we will be doing today, and the question is write a query to find employees earning more than their managers. Here they might give you the table, they means the interviewers, like they might give you the table, I mean this create table or insert into, or they may say you to create the table. So here we have created the table here, and this I will wait, you can see, and this I will give you in the comment section as well as with the solution. So here I have run this query, and you can see the data is present in front of us. From here we can say that Alice is the CEO. Let us take the CEO. Bob and Charlie are under Alice. David and Eve are under Bob. Frank is under Charlie. So who are the managers here? As the table is very small, you can say that managers are 1, 2 and 3. How to get that? Let me tell you, like if it is a big table, how you can tell that who are the managers? It's easy, simple, right? Managers ID from table group by manager ID. So in this way you will get the unique managers ID in the output. Let's run and see what we get. See, here we get managers like 1, 2 and 3. Why it is null? Because the first employee, which is who is Alice, this employee is not having manager, because the thing is he or she is the CEO. So above CEO there is no one, means in this table there is no one, so that's why null is coming. And 1, 2 and 3, this 3 are managers. So what is the idea we can generate is that we will be comparing these 3 employees. See, I would say managers are also employees. How to know that? Employee ID and manager ID, check that. One who is Alice is also employee, because employee ID 1 is there and manager's ID 1 is there. Same thing if we check the manager ID number 2, who is Bob. So under a company, Bob is also an employee but also a manager, right? And third is Charlie, whose ID means employee ID is in employee table, employee ID column, and also is in manager column. So in a company everyone is employee, and from that employee someone is manager. So from here, like we have one table. In previous scenarios or previous questions, what we have did, we have joined two table. Actually there are two tables, so we have joined them and we have did our work. We have written queries and found the output. But here the, I mean, the turning point we can say is that we have only one table, and from that table only we have to compare. So if I ask you a question like, in this table tell me which two columns are same, write in the comment section, tell me like which two columns are having same data. Obviously you are correct, employee id and managers id, because this two id means these two columns are having the same digits. Same digits means columns are matching. So as per joining means joins query knowledge, we will say that we will be joining columns which are same. But here, as there is one table, we will make a second imaginary table. How? Let's check it out. I am deleting this and writing select from practice wait, I think I have did wrong. Practice employee as A, join practice employee as B. Means see, I have took the same table and given them as alias A and alias B, and I have told SQL. In this way we are telling SQL कि we are joining this table. SQL also knows कि this is a table. Practice employee is a table. SQL will be right, okay, practice employee table is being joined with practice employee table. So SQL will be like, okay, we will take this two table, but we know and SQL also knows that these two tables are same. And how to differentiate, how to make SQL different, like how to make SQL understand that we are using the same table but in a different way, in a different name. In a different name means we are giving them an alias, right? Practice employee as A, practice employee as B, means same table are given different names. In this way it will be easy for us humans to differentiate the to get the difference between two table, and also for SQL to understand that this table are same but are given different name. So directly or indirectly they are both a different table. We will make SQL understand this, right? And right now I want all the data from A and all the data from B. So we are joining this two table, and now in joins what we do, what is the backbone of join? Yes, you are correct, it is like joining the two columns which are common, which are having common data, or which are having same data, whatever you say, it's okay. Same data is where we will see employee id and managers id. And what we want in this question, write a query to find employees earning more than their managers. So what we will do manager id equal to employee id. What it will, like what we are trying to tell SQL is like, this is a table, and I will paste the screenshot here, it will be easy for you to understand. This is a table A, this is a table B. Table A managers id match with table B employee id, right? In this screenshot you can see and you can differentiate. I will put it like easily, I will keep it in such a way like it will be easy for you to visualize and understand. So it will be like A dot manager id equal to B dot emp id, means manager id of table A, manager id of table A, this one will be equal to employee id of table B. What we will get in output, manager's id we will get in output, and employee's id we will get in output, right? Let's run it and see what actually we get in output. See, we got the same thing. What we got, the managers, this table is table A, this table is table B, right? That's it, it's easy. So what we have told, give me those IDs where manager ID is equal to employee ID, right? Manager ID is equal to employee ID. So in this way, what we come to know that these are the managers and these are the employees being managed by managers, or they are the leaders and these are the employees who are working under them. So as I told, this table is employees table, means table A, employees table. We are taking this as employees table and this table as managers table, right? How to differentiate again, let me tell you. See, here employees ID, check the employees number and managers number. Forget this table for now. Check here, employee ID are having employee table, managers ID manager table, right? This is the data we get from like create table and insert. Now see the second table, which is the managers table. Here you see the employee ID. In employee ID we have those ID who are managers, right? So this is the manager table and this is the employee table. Means if I say b dot emp ID as manager ID and b dot manager ID as senior manager ID, right? This is actually the thing I am talking about. Oh wait, yeah, this is actually the thing. Means manager ID, this table manager ID, because table B is managers table. Here in place of employee ID we are taking managers ID. And manager ID as senior manager ID. Now see, now I will run it and it will be easy for you. So here the employees ID, here employee ID was there. In place of employee ID right now, whose IDs are right now, you can see managers IDs are now, and here who are there, they are managers. Means this employees manager, this employees manager means managers manager who is senior manager, simple. So this is the only concept we need, and from here we can clear out the questions. And let's run it again, right? You understood it? Here in place of employee ID we have those IDs who are manager in the employees table, who are managers in employees table. Why? Because manager ID equal to employee ID, and in this managers table managers ID we are having those IDs who are senior managers for them. That's it. It's the easiest concept ever. And as we have got the table right now, what we will write, where what was the question? Employees earning more than, where employees salary, where salary more than manager salary. So right now tell me, employee salary more than manager salary. So what should I write here? I should write A dot salary or B dot salary. Yes, you are correct. Here we will write A dot salary. Why? Because this table is employees table. So employee salary is greater than manager salary. See, this is what we have to write, and we will get the data for this as well. Yep. See, it is simple, and you can check the table as well. Here employee salary is greater than manager salary. So employee 3, manager is 1, who is LS. You can check here, manager is 1, this is the managers table, manager 1 LS, whose salary is 6,000. So obviously it is more. And Eve whose manager is 2 Bob, and manager is 2 Bob, salary is 5,000. So obviously it is, means the employee's salary is more than manager salary. So it's done, it's easy, and it's completed. Only the concept is you have to make sure you keep in mind about the table. Always make a like image in your mind that this is the employee table and this is the manager's table. So this is only the concept. Once you do it, question is done, because here you will be getting two tables, and once you get the table or the data inside the table, you can match it easily, or you can compare it, you can do filter, whatever you want to do. It's easy. So it's done, and question number 5 is completed in this video. And first of all, thanks to everyone for watching my videos, learning from the videos, and also like clicking on the like button, subscribing. And I have also got mails related to the previous questions, because they were asking doubts, they were asking like different kind of scenarios, like what if this happens, then what will be the query. I have replied to everyone, and they were happy that they are getting fast replies, as well as they are happy with my teaching. I'm really thank you that you are learning a lot. So in this way, please keep learning, and please like my video, subscribe my video, and also share to those like your friends or your family members, whoever is like interested in learning data analysis, or like interested in doing interview questions. Please share with them, and click on the bell icon button as well. So thank you and have a nice day. Tomorrow we will be meeting with a new video with a new question set. I mean new question, not question set, but with a new question. So bye bye, take care, happy coding, and let's meet tomorrow. So bye.